I'm gonna try Norwegian brown cheese for the first time ever right now. I've got the brown cheese, Brunost. Hope I said that right. And I also had to go buy the cheese slicer thing. This is called an Osterhøvel. Yeah. Funny story about this. I was at the Bergen Store Center, the mall, and I was at the Extra. And I was asking the lady there, I was like, hey, I was looking in the Schuppen area and I didn't see the cheese slicer thing. Can you help me find it? Literally right behind me. Like, she was like, oh, you mean that? And I was like, I hate being that guy. So before I open the brown cheese, first, like, what is brown cheese? One of the most curious Norwegian foods to a foreign visitor. That's me, I'm foreign. Although I'm not just visiting, I do live here. Also one of the country's most common. Brunost literally translates to brown cheese. Yeah, got it. Even though it's not technically a cheese. Well, what is it? It's a byproduct of cheese making. So it's made from leftover whey. Okay, well, brown cheese isn't really cheese, but whatever, I'm gonna eat it. I'm gonna try it. Yo. Fun fact, this is Norwegian too, invented by Norwegians. So that's cool. All right, so I got my cheese. I need to work on my cheese slicing skills, but that's another story for another day. Okay. Ooh. Ooh. I want to like it. I do. It's just, it's not, I don't know. I don't think I like it. Now, everyone's been telling me you should try it on like a waffle with jordbær sauce or, you know, some other sauce, anything like that. And then it's really good. But I would argue that those things are really good. Waffle and jordbær sauce is really good. I mean, almost anything you put with that's going to be delicious. I mean, I just don't know. Am I eating it wrong? How am I supposed to eat it? Somebody tell me. Because that, look at that. I got a whole block of this stuff now. What am I going to do with it? And if any of you guys out there love Brunost, just hit me up because I got some and you can have it.